How to add multiple links in your Instagram bio. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add more than one link on your Instagram bio, it is possible. So first of all, tap open your Instagram application and log in using your credentials. Once that is done, tap on your profile on the bottom right and you can see there is currently one link on my bio. But before this, make sure you have copied the link or the URL. Once that is done, tap on edit profile and links. Now tap on add external link and then paste the URL that you have copied to your clipboard. If you have not, you can go and copy it first. After that, give a title to your link. Once you have given the appropriate title to your URL, tap on the tick button on the top right corner. Once the link is added to bio, you can go back and refresh the page. As you can see previously only one was shown, now you can see and one more written. Tap on it and you can see all the links together. Now, if you want to add another link, you have to prefer the same way. That is, paste the URL, give it a title, and then tap on the tick button. Once you do so, the link will be added to your bio. If you go back and check on your profile, it will be shown as two more. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.